Students, today we will do exercise 4.3 from chapter 4 practical geometry. Question number 1 is construct the following quadrilateral. First part, quadrilateral more, where MO is equals to 6 centimeter, OR is equals to 4.5 centimeter, angle M 60 degree, angle O 105 degree and angle R 105 degree. So to construct a quadrilateral more, step of construction, first we draw a line segment MO which is 6 centimeter. Now construct angle O is equals to 105 degree. So we construct angle of 105 degree. So first we draw an angle of 90 degree, and with the help of 90 and 120 degree we draw angle of 105 degree. So one arc we draw from 120 and second arc from 90. So here angle is 105 degree and radius 4.5. So we take radius 4.5 and draw an arc taking O as center, which is intersect at point R. So this is our R point. Now also construct an angle of 105 degree at R. So in R point we construct an angle of 105 degree with the help of 90 and 120 degree angles. So it is the angle of 105 degree at point R. 105 degree at point R, and produce the side RE. So this is R and E. Fourth step is construct another angle of 60 degree at point M. So we draw angle of 60 degree at point M. So first angle is 60 degree and produce the side ME. So ME. Both side ME and RE intersect at point E. So this is our E point. Now it is the required quadrilateral MORE mode. Now second part, we construct a quadrilateral plan and given measurement PL is equals to 4 centimeter, L is equals to 6.5 centimeter, angle L is equals to 90 degree, angle A is equals to 110 degree and angle N is equals to 85 degree. So we start the construction. First we draw a line segment PL which is 4 centimeters. So PL 4 centimeter. Next construct an angle of 90 degree at point P. This line is PL and we construct angle of 90 degree from point P. So this is our 90 degree angle and produce the line PN. This is our N. Now construct angle of 75 at point L. Construct angle of 75 degree at point L. So first we draw angle of 90 degree and then with the help of 90 and 60 degree we construct the angle of 75 degree. So one arc we take from 90 and second arc from 60. So this is our angle of 75 degree. Here angle of 90 degree at point P and angle of 75 degree at point L. And draw an arc of radius 6 centimeter. We draw an arc of radius 6 centimeter which intersect at A. So arc of 6 centimeter. So this is our A point. Now construct A is equals to 110 degree. So we construct in point A angle of 110 degree. So this is our angle of 110 degree from point A. Now, and this is our point N. So it is required quadrilateral plan PLAN. Thank you.